Hi there, it's Jake from Optery, and here's how to opt out of People by Phone step by step. Go to People by Phone website and click on Phone Listing at the top. Choose your state from the list, and then select your city. Click on the 6 digits matching your phone number from the displayed area codes. Locate your personal listing in the search results, and then copy the URL from the web address. Next, scroll down and click on Removal at the bottom to start the opt-out process. Complete the opt-out form with your first and last name, phone number, the URL that you copied earlier, as well as the email address that you're using, your removal reason, and the security CAPTCHA. Once done, click Remove Information. Just an important reminder that when reaching out to a data broker, it's crucial to use a disposable email to avoid being added to marketing lists. This is for your safety and security purposes. And lastly, you will receive an on-screen confirmation. Your name and address will be removed from People by Phone within 24 hours. Congratulations on opting out of People by Phone. You have taken a simple but important step towards reclaiming your privacy. However, there are hundreds of people search sites. They are constantly changing, and it's nearly impossible to stay on top of these data brokers. That is why Optery offers the free exposure report. The exposure report shows screenshots from sites that have your data with links to let you see that data right on the site. Use the exposure report and our how-to guides to opt yourself out for free, or sign up for an Optery paid plan, and Optery will handle the monitoring and removals for you and your family members. Bonus tip: if you're a business owner worried about the security of your employees, we also have Optery for Business. Go to optery.com to sign up for your free exposure report.